Hi students, so we have finished our 4 chapters. Today we are going to start with our chapter 5 subtraction. All you are ready for that? Yes, I hope all you are ready. So I hope you understood addition, how we have to add the numbers and how it is important, right? Yes. So addition, even subtraction, everything, it is all the basic pillar of mathematics. So from now, from your class 2 itself, if you have a good foundation of this, you will feel very easy in your higher classes. So today we are going to start with our chapter 5 subtraction. So it is nothing but it is opposite to addition. Like we are adding in addition, isn't it? What we are going to do in addition, we are adding the number of quantity given in a more number. But in subtraction, we are going to reduce the quantity. So this is the difference between addition and subtraction, right? So subtraction is nothing but in a given number, if we take some of the numbers from that, the remaining you should calculate and write. Very simple to learn and very interesting to learn. So if you imagine that if you have 10 marbles with you, how many marbles? 10 marbles. You are going to give to your sister or brother 4 marbles. How many marbles? 4 marbles. How many marble remaining you have? Just count, you have 10 marbles. In that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 you gave to your sister or brother. Remaining how much you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many marbles? 6. Yes. We have to take the quantity we are reduced or we are given to your like some your siblings, and remaining you have to write. Same thing you have to follow in subtraction. Here are the numbers given. From the given number we have to reduce the below number and we have to write the answer. So students, note that I have written a minus sign before the each and every sum. It indicates that we are doing subtraction process, right? If we write plus, it tells us we are doing addition. So always remember to mention that sign. So let us do the first problem. So first they are given 56 minus 48. So here, which is the largest number? 56 is the largest number, of course, but 48 is the least number compared to 56. So always we need to subtract the number from greater number to smaller number. So it is not possible to subtract the lower number to higher number. It is only possible from we have to subtract the greater number to smaller number. Okay. But always you have to start the process from ones place. Which place? Ones place, then tenths place, then hundred place, then thousands place. So always you have to start it. It may be addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, anything it might be. You have to start from ones place itself. Have you understood that? Yes. Let us start now. So first look this column. So this is the first column. This is ones place and tens place. Okay. In ones place, at the top we have 6. At the bottom we have 8. Which is the highest number? We know 8 is the highest number. But the rule is we have to subtract from whichever number present in the higher, that is topmost. We have to subtract the lower number which is present below the number. So from 6, is it possible to minus 8? No, right? Because 6 is smaller than 8. Now what we can do is, just we have only one option. we have to take a carry from tens place number, that is from 5. So 5 is giving carry to 6, 1. When it gives only one number, 6 becomes 16, not 7. So students, keep remember, 6 becomes 16, not 7. So I am writing 1 just here so that you can just keep remember that 16. So now 5 becomes 4 because 5 gave carry to 6, right? So 5 becomes 4. Now from 16, if I subtract 8, let me draw a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in this, let me subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 8 I am going to subtract. I don't want 8. Let us calculate remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I got remaining 8. Now here I have 4, not 5, because I gave carry to 6. So 4 minus 4 is 4. If I take all the 4 marbles or chocolates together, how much will present in my hand? It is nil, right? So I would suggest to write 0. So 56 minus 48 is 8. So I hope you understood this problem. Let us move to the next problem.